Hi everyone, in this video, I will show you how to increase video quality in Capcut PC. So what I'm going to show you right now is a result of how I increase the quality of the video. So basically, I'm going to show you the original video. So this is the result actually. We're going to make something like this. So, so this is the original video by the way. So what you're going to do here is you have to tap first the video and then look for adjustment. Now you have to scroll down here and look for curve, and all you have to do is to put everything down here and the other one goes up. Same goes with the second one. Okay, you just have to pull it down and then the other one goes up. And you just have to do it to each of the color here. So basically, you have to pull it down again, the green one, and then the other one goes up. And then for the last one here, the color blue, okay, pull it down and then this one up, and that's it. Now the second thing to do is you have to go to effects and then you have to look for blur. Now there are two blur effect right here. You have to click the second one. So I'm going to show you what it looks like. So the other one here, this one, you have to pull it down, drag it down. So the result should be like this. Now for the blur intensity, increase it to 100, and then after that you can now export the video. For frame rate, you have to click 60 FPS. And then after that, click export. Once done, you can delete this and then drag again the original video and then import the video that we have created earlier. So basically, this is what it looks like. And you have to click this one, go to video, and then you have to look for blend and then look for color bomb. Okay, and then decrease opacity, everything is up to you. Actually, sometimes it depends on the picture or the image you have import. So for this image, the best one is 35% for opacity. Now add a white background right here at the top. And then after that, tap the white background or white photo, go to blend, and then go to overlay. And the result should be like this. So after that, you have to go to adjustment again. And then this time you have to look for sharpen and clarity. So for sharpen, you have to increase to 100, but like what I've mentioned earlier, you have to look for the best result because sometimes it depends on the image or picture or the colors inside the image right here. For HSL, color red saturation should be 20 to 30, but it depends on the picture. For me, it's 30. For blue, color saturation is 50 and brightness is negative 30. But again, it depends on the picture that you have used here on your editing. Same goes with the other colors. I just want the best result. So if I'm going to tap each of the color right here, I just have to drag the saturation and brightness and then stop until I get the best result. Especially if your picture image has tons of colors or different colors. So you just have to play with the intensity of the colors right here. Once you get the good result, you can now export your video. So that's it. That's how simple it is. You just have to follow the method and try to look for the best result when it comes to the saturation, brightness, and anything on the image. So another thing, you can also use this Wink Studio to get the best quality or 4K resolution. So after you have import the video, install Wink Studio and then import the video right here, and then you just have to export because this tool can help you get the best or high resolution or can increase the resolution of the video. So this is the result. I'm going to show you also the original video and the one that we have created just now. So this is the original video and this one is out from our tutorial. Thank you for watching. Please do like and subscribe to our channel and see you again in our next video tutorials.